Hi friends, welcome to our channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like and share and click the bell icon. ఈ రోజు మనం శనగపిండితో బర్ఫీ ఎలా చేయాలో చూద్దాం. We need to add 1 cup of milk. We need to add desiccated coconut half cup. Now we need to mix it. To add 1 cup of gramflour. Do it like this. Put it in the low flame and add the gramflour. We have to fry this until it comes in the golden color. Now we need to add 3/4 cup of sugar. Now it's time to add the milk mixture. We need to mix it in low flame. Add little cardamom powder. It should leave the pan like this. In this consistency, you have to switch off the flame. Let it cool down for 10 minutes. See, my mother is making a small ball. It should be like this. After 10 minutes, we are making the barfi. We have to roll it.
See the process.
You can see the process how they are making it. My mother is making the barfi. See, it's so soft and very tasty. Thanks for watching our channel. Stay with us for our latest updates. Have a great day.